quiet, narrow street that night. Light rain falling. Wet road reflecting warm streetlights. No people, slow cinematic camera movement. Cozy anime style. Peaceful mood. Close-up of raindrops hitting puddles. Soft ripples forming. Reflections trembling. Slow motion rain. Calming atmosphere. Cinematic anime visuals. Warm paper lantern hanging outside a wooden house, gently swaying in rain. Amber glow against blue night. Misty air. Nostalgic, cozy feeling. Foggy window glass at night. Raindrops sliding down slowly. Lantern light reflecting softly. Warm interior glow. Emotional, calm mood. Curtains gently moving from the cool night breeze. Lantern glow flickering softly. Rain outside creates a dreamy, cozy atmosphere. Slow camera pan captures the scene. Calm silhouette sitting near the window. Watching rain quietly, no facial details. Warm light inside, emotional stillness. Cinematic framing. Rain becoming lighter on the street. Puddles calming. Lantern glowing steadily. Peaceful night feeling. Slow zoom out. Healing vibe. Cozy interior room, wooden table, teacup with steam rising slowly. Warm yellow lighting, soft shadows. Peaceful cinematic anime style. Wide view of quiet street at night. Lantern outside window glowing softly. Rain almost stopped. Dark, calm sky. Dreamy anime ending feel. Wide view of quiet street at night. Lantern outside window glowing softly. Rain almost stopped. Dark, calm sky. Dreamy anime ending feel.